Well, isn't that annoying? The red light of death. So if you're like me and you're sick to death of your Ryobi batteries just dying, or you've left them in the tool that you're using for too long and you can't get it to charge anymore, this is how to fix it very quickly. Now I've also got, these are knockoff batteries, they're not actually a proper Ryobi one. Now it's also important to note, if you have a warranty for your battery, just take it back and get a new battery. It's much easier, but these are obviously not warranty batteries, so I'm just going to fix it and show you how. Okay, 3 bits of wire down touching the 3 prongs on your charger. Now I've made that one have a crimp on it because I wanted to make sure that tells me that it's positive and the others doesn't really matter. So T10 Torx bit, and unscrew the battery obviously. So as you can see, the battery's only at 1795, and that's enough still for the battery to play up. Still doesn't want to charge, so we've got to hook up these wires once we get this case off and sort it out. So check on yours. Yours may be different to this one, being the Chinese knockoff, but this one's positive and this one over the back here is negative. Now they're the ones that we're going to be putting the wires to. So we've got this wire, one in the middle, that wire, that's getting connected, whoops, I'll do it in a second. This one and this one are getting connected to the negative for a little while, and that one to the positive on the battery. Now this will bypass the charging system and charge the batteries up. So the battery is dead enough at the moment for it to not charge. And basically all you're doing is tricking the charger into putting charge in until the cells have enough voltage in them to actually charge the battery normally, because they're too low at the moment basically, just from that parasitic draw. Alright, hopefully you can see this well enough. Put them both together, charge the battery for a little bit, see the green lights come on. Now only want to do this for 30 seconds or so at a time and bring it back to life. Doesn't take long. And just do it a few times, and if your battery is like this one where you can check the actual charge, yeah, we've got some voltage now. Very good. Bit tricky. Take those apart, put together, same time. There we go. Don't recommend doing this if you have no idea what you're doing. So if you're a little bit handy on the tools with a bit of electrical, have a crack and get your battery going again. Doesn't take long. There we go, charging up. Awesome. Thanks for watching, guys.